Hi there and welcome to today's complete e.l.f. kind of fall inspired makeup tutorial. e.l.f. has like a close spot to my heart. It was like one of the first makeup brands that I ever shopped when I was, I think like in 8th or 9th grade. I started wearing eyeliner and mascara for fun, and I have literally used it throughout the years. I just feel like it is some of the best drugstore makeup and also the most affordable, so it doesn't get much better than that. Today I'm going to go through and kind of share a full face of e.l.f. products, ones that I've loved, some I've used for many years, others are some newer products. I'm really excited. Like always, everything will be linked down below in the description box that I'm including on my skin today. I'm going to do a little run through on how I use the products and my thoughts. And if you're new here, hi there, my name is Elena. I talk all things affordable lifestyle here on my channel, and I upload a few videos a week, so you'll make sure to hit the subscribe button. I am very excited. So we're gonna go ahead and jump on in, and I want to thank so much to e.l.f. for partnering with me on today's video. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with the first product, and I do want to preface this video by saying my skin is a little bit sensitive right now, has some discoloration and redness on it because I recently got a chemical peel. If you've been following me for a while, I have dealt with some bad hormonal acne after getting off of hormonal birth control, and so it's kind of just in the works of clearing all of that up, and there's just some stages that you go through when you get a chemical peel, if you know what I mean. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with the first one. This is a newer foundation from e.l.f. that I've tried. Growing up, I have used their, I think it's their Photo Focus foundation, and it is beautiful. So I can link that one down below for you guys, but I honestly think this is just as good as that one. This is the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream Color Correcting. This is a medium to full coverage foundation. Something else that I also love about e.l.f. is they're always vegan and cruelty free, and this particular CC cream has lots of skin loving benefits in it, like collagen, peptides, niacinamide. So I was drawn to this. It also has SPF 30, which I am all about. I am 25, just turning 25 in September, so I have just really been very cautious about always protecting my skin from the sun, and I love that you kind of get that benefit in here. The other huge bonus is it has a pump. The packaging on this resembles a higher end brand that is very popular, and I've tried that, and I think this is very similar as far as the packaging, kind of the wear, the look. It's, I would say, is a good medium to full coverage. It is buildable. I just did like a full pump on my face in today's video when I was trying it on, but I do have extra redness and kind of discoloration. Normally I'd probably just do about a half a pump. I also do have pretty oily skin, but I felt that this foundation still worked really well. I think because it kind of has a mattifying look, but it also has hydrating benefits in it that kind of just soothe your skin. So the finish is stunning. And the color that I have is light 280N. I appreciate their kind of coloring that they do. They have overall shades, and then you can do like neutral, cool, or warm. So it's pretty easy to be able to find your shade too. Next one is a huge favorite of mine. This is another kind of dupe or look for less for a higher end brand, and like if you are on the hunt for a good affordable concealer, definitely give this one a try. Now their original formula was more of like a matte. It was almost too drying for my under eyes, but they recently had come out with this hydrating camo concealer, and this is like perfection because it has the full coverage that you're looking for, but you can actually put it on your under eyes without it being too dry. I also love the colors in this. Again, they have those neutral, cool, and warm tones, so it's just easy to find your shade. It is a very long wearing concealer, which I love, so you're going to put it on in the morning and it's going to be there when you go to bed at night. I also really like the large doe foot applicator. It just makes it really easy to put on your skin. I usually will take a clean finger, rub it on the end, that way I'm not like putting the bacteria on my skin back into the container. And I also find that this lasts a really long time because it is so full coverage, and it's $6, which is an awesome deal. Next up is another one of my absolute favorites. I've used this previously. This is the e.l.f. Contour Palette. Now you'll see in the video I actually use this multiple ways. So I'm kind of doing like a fall look with this, but I've used like as minimal makeup as possible. So this is a very affordable, very easy makeup routine that you could incorporate. So this is the shades that are kind of in it. As you can see, they have a lighter, more of a tan, and then 2 brown tones. So sometimes I'll even use this lighter tone like right here in my T-zone just to kind of help with some oiliness that I might have. And then I will use these bottom 2 shades for a contour. And I love it. I think the tones blend beautifully. They match really well with my skin tone. I have more of a light fair complexion. I do self tan, but I just feel like these bottom 2 tones are beautiful. I also kind of started doing a new technique with my bronzer that I really like. So I still do kind of go around the corner of my face, but if you kind of want that sun-kissed look, if you just take your brush and your bronzer and kind of go like this, it was like a hack that I recently learned off of someone from Instagram. And I love, just it gives that very natural, like I was just in the sun kind of look. And if you want to give it a try, definitely would give it a try and let me know what you think. But I have done that with my bronzer every single day for like the last couple months. I love the look of it. So this is a beautiful, beautiful palette. It's going to last you a long time. And I also doubled this up as a eyeshadow. So I actually just used the bottom 2 shades here. I took it with a fluffy brush and I put it in my crease. It's kind of that kind of chocolatey brown tone for fall. And then on the like inner half of my eye, I actually just went in with the lightest tone. And I thought that the contrast was really beautiful. It's kind of a matte look, and I think just like was the perfect easy little on the go fall eye makeup look that you can easily incorporate into your everyday routine. Next up is going to be this little gem. This is the e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi-Stick. Again, this is going to make your routine so much easier. It's basically a cream to powder product. Comes in a few color options. I went ahead with the Glimmering Guava. If you want to go for a little bit more of a deeper tone for fall, you definitely could do that. I think this is a stunning, stunning color. You can, I don't know if you can kind of see there, it just kind of blends out beautifully. It goes from cream to powder, and it is very nice and long wearing. I just put some on my cheeks, and then I actually can use this on my lips as well. This is a beautiful base color on my lips, and I feel like it helps my lip gloss last longer. And I'll get to my favorite lip gloss in a second. So again, you could even use this on your eyes, like your inner corner, just to give it a little bit of sparkle. So for $4, it's literally a 3-in-1 product, and it's beautiful. I love the shades, love the tone. Must have. Now this next item is one that I have definitely used for many, many years. This is one of the first things that I purchased. It might not be this exact formula, but I've always gone back to e.l.f. eyeliners. This is the No Budge Waterproof Black Eyeliner, and it is a retractable liner, which I love. That way you don't have to worry about always carrying a pencil sharpener, or if you're traveling, that can just make it difficult. It's the worst when your eyeliner is too low and it like scrapes your eyes, but you're in like a pickle and you don't know what else to do. So this I really, really like. It's easy to kind of just glide on your eyeliner, and like I said, it's a no budge, so it's going to be very nice and long wearing. It's very creamy and pigmented eyeliner. I typically only line like right at my top lashes. So this is a newer item on e.l.f.'s website. It's their mascara. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. You can just see in the video I did like one heavier coat, and just the length and the volume that it gave is beautiful. Like I can know that this is going to be a mascara I'm going to be wearing and purchasing on repeat. I love how it plumps and kind of lifts your eyelashes for all day wear. I don't find that this flakes on my eyes or like comes off easily. And I really kind of like the hourglass kind of brush that it has. I feel like it's easy to kind of get in and give all of your lashes the kind of length and volume that they need. And it's also great to apply on the lower lash. Typically I get mascara all over my eyelid because my lashes are pretty long, but with this I felt like the application was pretty easy and I only got a tiny bit on my eyelid. So for me, that is a big win, and I love the name of it. It's called Big Mood Mascara, which I definitely see because your lashes are going to be large and in charge with this mascara. I've been wearing on repeat for probably the last like year and a half. It is their new e.l.f. lip plumping gloss. So it has this really beautiful shine to it, and Sometimes with plumping glosses, I get a little nervous because I'm like, are they going to make my like lips feel really tingly and uncomfortable for a while? That I don't get that at all with this, but I do find that kind of the way that it's kind of that satin look kind of gives your lips kind of that plumped full look. I went with shade Mocha Twist, which I think is the perfect fall tone. It matches really well even with this kind of like orange top that I'm wearing. Just kind of brings all the fall tones together. I would just say that it kind of gives that soothing cooling sensation, but it doesn't feel like my lips are burning, which I have had with other kind of plumping glosses that I tried. So also it has vitamin E and coconut oil in it, so it kind of just really hydrates and gives your lips the nourishment that it needs. All right, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give a thumbs up. Lets me know that you want to see more kind of affordable makeup tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.